Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple column layouts for your Forminator form in WordPress. Let's get down to it. So the first thing you want to do as usual is you want to add your plugin. You want to download the plugin. Once you do that, it's going to open up the plugin repository here. So you want to search for Forminator. So once you search for Forminator here, it's going to bring out the Forminator plugin. So as you can see, this is already active. So if not, it's going to be installed now like this. So what you want to do is click on install now. After that, it's going to switch to activate. When you click that, it's going to activate the plugin. So let's scroll down to the plugin to create our multiple column form. So I'm just going to click on forms. So when you click on forms, you're going to click on create. So yeah, you can let me just quickly choose a template to work with. So let me just choose registration form. I think that should be more extensive. So just name this user registration and just let's get down to it. Let's get it over with. So one of the reasons why I prefer doing this multi-column style is it's less boring and less cumbersome on the page you're using it for. You understand? So let me see, username, email, password. Let's just add a couple more fields. So let's add phone number. Let's add address. Let's add website, and let's add. Okay, let's go with those three for now. So as you can see, we are going to preview this. Let's preview it. So you can see it's just this um, long form here, which to me is very boring and it doesn't do well for UI in my opinion. So I need to make this form shorter so that the potential audience that is going to view this won't feel overwhelmed just by looking at it. You understand? So just going to cancel this. Then let's come down to so what you want to do to create multiple columns here is, as you can see, when I over on the email section here, you can see that drag icon there. So you're just going to drag it and drag it here. You understand? You can even add more columns if you want. Drag it there. But let's stick to two. So let's just drag this, put that here, website URL, drag it, put it there. So let's preview this. You can see it already looks so much better than what we had initially. So yes, you can see this already looks so much better. So the reason why this is showing like this is the street address part that I picked. I guess that's what these other containers here are for. So let me see. Let's troubleshoot that quickly. So as you can see, we can remove it to make sure it only asks for the address. You understand? And let's say country. But for the purpose of this, let's stick to that. Let's preview it again. So as you can see, if I visit your website and your contact form is looking this way, I would want to just fill it once and just get it over with. But imagine if you have multiple lines, it looks cumbersome and it may discourage people from actually wanting to fill the forms. You understand? So that is why I personally prefer this multi-column approach. So this is how you do this for Forminator. So once you're done, you just want to click on publish here. Then you can you click on publish, then you copy your short code to wherever you want to use the form. Maybe it's your Elementor, your block editor or classic editor, whichever place you're using it in. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.